Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can delete your photos from iCloud, but still keep them on your iPhone. Please subscribe to the channel. Also be sure to like and comment. Let's get started. So, first you will need to go into your phone settings. At the top, where your name is, tap to go to Apple ID. After that, you'll need to select iCloud. And already in it, you click on Photo. The only thing you need to do here is to make sure that you have this photo synchronization feature turned off. If you have it enabled, then you need to turn it off. Why would you do that? So that you can delete photos from your iCloud. Because when photos are synchronized between your phone's gallery and iCloud, then they are deleted both there and then. So after you've done that, exit the settings, and you need to go to Safari, or you need to go to Google, and type in iCloud in the search box. Once you've done that, you'll go to the very first iCloud send. And you'll need to log into your Apple ID. Once you're in, you'll need to go to the top, in the right corner, and click on this sign right here, where there are a lot of dots. Next, select Photos. And now you can see absolutely all the photos that you currently have in your gallery. So let me show you how to delete them. To do that, you need to select Select. And now you can select some photos. And then you click Delete. Delete them. And as you can see, they are now deleted from iCloud. But in order to check if you have them in your gallery, you open your photo on your phone. As you can see, these photos that I deleted are still in the gallery. So that's how you can delete your photos from iCloud while keeping them in your iPhone's gallery. I hope this video was useful and helpful to you. Please subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to put likes and be sure to write your comments. See you soon, friends.